Alright guys, so today I got a cool video planned. So basically, as you probably know, I got a new box from Rolling Fingers last week, and I got some cores, which I never actually tried. So today I thought it'd be a fun idea to put them on, use them for a bit, and then review them. So yeah, I actually don't even have rolling finger wheels on this setup right here. These are flat face G4s, because my second, before this package that he just sent me, I had two sets and one of them broke, so I had to use these. But this is not my main setup, so we're all good. And here's my other one. Alright, so I'm gonna take the flat face wheels off and put the cores on. Okay, so I did put them on, and they look very sick. Like, the shape is just beautiful. Very thin, tiny, small wheels. And I haven't actually tried them yet, so ooh, they feel very good. Let me try and do a trick. Let's see. Ooh, they feel good. Super tiny, but I like them. I feel like these are good on like tricks like sloppies and shit. I don't know, they give me that feeling. So I should probably do a few of them. Let me see if I have. Alright, I got this curb, which I think I broke. Trying to get it down there, but okay. Ooh. Yeah, they do indeed feel good. Alright, I'm gonna use them for a bit and then come back to you guys and review them. Okay, so I hope you like the little edit. It's now time to talk about these wheels and say what's good about them and what's not so good. Okay, so first thing, they're very, very, very smooth. Probably even smoother than other rolling finger wheels, which is good. And they're very, very good wheels. They roll like crazy. Watch this. So insane. Most wheels can't do that. Most wheels just stop halfway there, which is good. The only problem, I guess, is that some tricks, especially on like round rails, are harder to lock into because the wheels are so tiny. But apart from that, super good wheels. Didn't have a problem with them. Every trick came out perfectly, and I would definitely recommend you guys buy these wheels, especially if you're looking into getting smooth and very fast wheels. So, I mean, there's not much to say. These are just awesome all-around wheels. And I'm gonna put their website in the description. And that's basically it. Just buy yourself a set and have fun. And expect a fingerboard edit with these on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram right here, and I'll be posting more. And I'm getting kind of close to 10K on Instagram. I mean, not so close, but if you guys could help me out, that'll be sick. So yeah, expect a few more videos now because there's not much to do. I'm at home, I can't really go out. And if you got any video ideas, leave them in the comments down below and I'll look at them. And I also got a few more sets of different shapes of wheels, so I might do another video similar to this one, trying out the minis maybe, because those look good. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.